Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of best front yard garden designs and 10 tips for designing beautiful and affordable garden entrance ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you looking to add some curb appeal to your home? A front yard garden design can be a great way to create a welcoming entrance to your property. But where do you start? Here are some tips for designing a front yard that will make your home the envy of the neighborhood. 1. Define the purpose of your garden. Before you begin designing your garden, it's important to consider what you want to use the space for. Do you want a space for entertaining, a place for your children to play, or simply a beautiful and peaceful outdoor retreat? Defining the purpose of your garden will help you choose the right plants, furniture, and design elements. 2. Consider your home's architecture. Your home's architecture can provide valuable inspiration for your garden design. Take cues from the style and color of your home's exterior and incorporate those elements into your garden. For example, if you have a modern home, consider using clean lines and minimalist design in your garden. 3. Choose your plants wisely. When selecting plants for your garden, consider not only their aesthetic value but also their maintenance requirements. Choose plants that are well suited to your local climate and soil conditions and that require minimal watering and upkeep. Native plants are often a good choice for this reason. 4. Create a focal point. A focal point in your garden can help draw the eye and create visual interest. This could be a sculpture, a fountain, a unique plant or tree, or even a colorful piece of furniture. Consider incorporating a focal point that complements your home's architecture and adds a touch of personality to your garden. 5. Use lighting to highlight your garden. Outdoor lighting can help create a welcoming atmosphere in your front yard and highlight the beauty of your garden. Consider using solar-powered or low-voltage lighting to highlight pathways, garden beds, and other features of your garden. 6. Incorporate seating. Seating can provide a place to relax and enjoy your garden. Consider adding a bench, a chair, or even a small table and chairs to your garden. Choose materials that complement your home's exterior and that are weather-resistant and durable. 7. Add texture and color. Texture and color can add visual interest to your garden design. Consider using a mix of plants with different leaf shapes and textures, and add pops of color with flowers or colorful foliage. Choose a color scheme that complements your home's exterior and that creates a cohesive look throughout your garden. 8. Use hardscaping elements. Hardscaping elements like pathways, retaining walls, and garden beds can help define the layout of your garden and create visual interest. Consider using materials like stone, gravel, or brick to add texture and create a cohesive look throughout your garden. 9. Incorporate water features. Water features like fountains, ponds, or waterfalls can add a sense of tranquility to your garden and create a soothing backdrop for outdoor entertaining or relaxation. Consider incorporating a water feature that complements your home's architecture and that is well suited to your space and budget. 10. Get creative with DIY projects. DIY projects can be a fun and affordable way to add personality to your garden. Consider repurposing old furniture or other items to create unique planters or garden decor. Use your creativity to come up with one-of-a-kind ideas that reflect your personal style and taste. By following these tips, you can design a beautiful and affordable front yard garden entrance that will make your home stand out in the neighborhood. Don't be afraid to get creative and personalize your garden design to reflect your personal style and taste. Whether you're looking for a place to relax and unwind, a space for outdoor entertaining, or simply a beautiful and welcoming entrance to your home, a front yard garden design can provide the perfect solution. Use these tips to create a garden that will make your home the envy of the neighborhood. With these tips, you can turn your front yard into a stunning and inviting garden entrance that will impress your guests and boost your home's curb appeal. From choosing the right plants to incorporating unique design elements, These 10 garden design ideas will help you create a beautiful and affordable front yard that you can be proud of. So what are you waiting for? Get started on your front yard garden design today and transform your home's exterior into a breathtaking work of art. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best front yard garden design ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.